Is it really possible to become rich, starting from absolutely nothing? Of course it is. You don't have to be born into a rich family, have a fancy education, or be some sort of genius to build wealth. Becoming a millionaire might seem like a dream for a select few, but the truth is, it's achievable if you follow the right mindset, strategy, and habits. Today, I'll show you 8 powerful steps inspired by Grant Cardone, a self-made millionaire and author of the Millionaire booklet, that will help you transform your financial future. These steps have worked for countless people around the world, and they can work for you too. Before we dive in, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification because I upload powerful wealth and mindset videos every single week that will help you master money and success. Your millionaire life begins with one thing: your mindset. Most people stay broke, not because they lack talent, but because they lack belief. If you keep telling yourself, "I'll never make it," guess what? You're programming your brain to fail. Grant Cardone always says, your mind is your first asset. If you believe that money is evil, or that rich people are just lucky, you'll subconsciously repel wealth. When you shift your focus from limitations to possibilities, you'll start to notice opportunities that were invisible before. Think about it: every great invention, every successful business, started with someone believing it could be done. You need to adopt that same unshakable confidence. Start today by writing down one limiting belief you have about money, and then write down a new, empowering belief to replace it. This simple act is the first step on your journey to wealth. Here's something that separates dreamers from doers: math. Most people say, "I want to be rich," but they have no concrete plan. Let's break it down. How do you make $1 million? If you sell a $100 product to 10,000 people, that's $1 million. If you sell a $200 product to 5,000 people, that's also $1 million. See how that works? You don't need to reinvent the wheel, you just need a plan that scales. This principle applies to any business. Whether it's a restaurant, an app, or a consulting firm, your financial plan is your roadmap. Set clear targets for your first, second, and third year. Ask yourself, how many clients do I need per week? What's my marketing budget? What's my break-even point? And most importantly, write it all down. A written plan turns a vague dream into a tangible destination. Don't just wish for $1 million. Calculate your way to it. Break the big number into smaller, manageable chunks. This makes the goal feel less intimidating and gives you a clear path to follow every single day. The rich don't rely on one paycheck, and neither should you. If your only income comes from your job, you're just one company decision away from financial trouble. That's why Grant Cardone insists you must have at least 3 income streams. Start small. Your first stream is your main job or business. Your second could be a side hustle or an online store. Your third can be passive income, maybe through stocks, real estate, or even creating digital content like this. Think of your income like a table. If one leg breaks, you don't want the whole thing to collapse. Multiple income streams provide financial security and are the foundation of true wealth. It's not just about making more money, it's about creating stability. When one source slows down, another can pick up the slack. This strategy reduces your financial stress and gives you the freedom to take calculated risks that can accelerate your wealth-building journey. Don't wait until you need it. Start building your second income stream this month. If you want to fast-track your journey to wealth, learn a high-income skill. A high-income skill is something that can earn you at least $10,000 a month. And the best part? You can start learning it with zero money. Some examples include copywriting, which is writing ads, websites, or emails that sell. Another is sales and closing deals. Every business needs people who can bring in revenue. You could also learn video editing, graphic design, coding, or web development. SEO and digital marketing are also in huge demand. These are all learnable skills that people and businesses will pay you handsomely for. Start by learning from free content on YouTube, blogs, or in books. Once you've mastered the basics, find clients who need what you offer. Remember, your skill is your currency. Invest your time in learning a skill that commands a high price, and you'll have a powerful tool to generate income for the rest of your life. Here's a harsh truth. If you hang around 5 broke people, you'll be the 6th. Success is contagious, but so is failure. The people you spend time with shape your mindset, your energy, and your ambition. It's just moving, and you need to be around people who know how to make it move toward them. So, audit your circle. Are they lifting you up or holding you back? Join business communities, mastermind groups, or local entrepreneur meets. Surround yourself with doers, not complainers. You can't fly like an eagle if you're hanging out with pigeons. The conversations you have, the ideas you share, and the opportunities that arise all come from your network. Find mentors who are where you want to be. Their guidance can save you years of trial and error. Your environment is a powerful force. Make sure it's pushing you towards success, not away from it. Once you start making money, here comes the real test. Can you keep it? Many people make good money, but they spend it as fast as it comes in. The moment they get a raise or close a big deal, they upgrade their lifestyle. Bigger house, a new car, expensive vacations. As soon as your paycheck hits, automatically transfer a significant portion, at least 20 to 30%, to a separate savings or investment account. Then, you can live off the rest. Grant Cardone suggests allocating only 10% of your income for fun. The ability to save money consistently is what separates the middle class from the millionaires. Treat your savings like a bill you have to pay to your future self. Make it non-negotiable. This discipline will build the foundation for your financial freedom, allowing you to invest and grow your wealth instead of just funding a fleeting lifestyle. When your savings start to grow, it's time to make your money work for you. The golden rule of investing is to diversify. Never put all your money into one thing. Let me give you an example. If you had invested $1,000 into 10 different companies back in 1988, and one of them happened to be Microsoft, even if the other 9 failed completely, that one successful investment could have turned your $10,000 into hundreds of thousands. That's the power of diversification. Start with safer investments like index funds or ETFs, which spread your money across many companies automatically. As you gain more experience and knowledge, you can branch out into real estate, individual stocks, startups, or even investing more into your own business. Your goal isn't to get rich overnight, it's to get rich for sure. Wise, diversified investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building sustainable wealth that will last a lifetime, protecting you from market volatility and setting you up for long-term success. This last step is non-negotiable. Avoid bad debt at all costs. Bad debt, like credit card debt or personal loans for consumer goods, is a trap. It keeps you working for the bank instead of for yourself, eating away at your income with high-interest payments. If you're planning to start a business but need to borrow to do it, wait. Build your capital first. Fund your projects with your own money, not borrowed money. Now, there's a difference between good debt, like a mortgage on a rental property that generates income, and bad debt. We're talking about avoiding the debt that drains your wealth. When you're debt-free, you are truly free mentally and financially. The lack of funds can also push your creativity to new levels, forcing you to find innovative, low-cost solutions. Freedom from debt means every dollar you earn works for you, not for a lender. It's the ultimate power position in your financial life. Let's be honest, money isn't good or bad, it's a tool. What matters is how you use it. When you have enough to live comfortably, you can focus your energy on personal growth and helping others. Becoming rich isn't about luck, it's about choice, and you can start making those choices right now. Let's quickly recap the 8 steps to becoming rich from nothing. First, change your mindset. Second, do the math. Third, create multiple income streams. Fourth, learn a high-income skill. Fifth, surround yourself with the right people. Sixth, save before you spend. Seventh, invest and diversify. And eighth, never go into bad debt. Start today, not tomorrow, because nobody is coming to change your life but you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button. Drop a comment saying I will be rich. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep building your dream life.